Good day and you are welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you all how to register on AFREP utility app and to transfer our AFREP from the global market, that is from our Trust wallet, into the utility app for us to be able to make use of it. The first thing you need to do is to download the AFREP utility app from the Play Store if you have not done so before. And just at the comment section of this video, you will see the link which you can tap to go ahead and download and install it. So let me look for the link here for us to go ahead. Okay, this is the link, and when you tap on it as it is shown in the comment section below, then you are going to be taken to the Play Store direct for you to be able to download and install. But in this case, because I have installed before, that is where you are seeing updates on my own here, which I am going to do right now. If you have not installed earlier, then what you are going to be seeing there is install. So before I go ahead, let me go ahead and update my app. I'm going to pause the video to do that. Okay, you are welcome back. So immediately you have finished installation, you are going to see this way, and what you need to do is to tap on open. Open for you to open the app to do your registration. In your own case, as I've said, if you are just downloading this app for the first time, what you need to do is to tap on sign up. So tap on sign up. I have done my own sign up, but let me just open the place for you to see what is required for you to do. So what you need to do is to add your email address, your phone number, your first name, your last name, and the password that you want to use. So I want to admonish us here, because of the past experiences we have been having in interrelating the ecosystem of Zugacoin. Please make sure that you use the email address that you have been using for all the Zugacoin's accounts in this place. Please do that. That single email address that you have been using, let it be the one that you use here too. It might not be necessary, but just to be on the safe side, that is why I said so. Then fill up the information and tap on sign up. As I've said, I have done that, so I don't need to do it again. Let me go back to login for me to log in into my own account. So I tap that, I include my email address. Oh, I'm sorry, I even made a mistake. This is okay. I have logged in successfully, and this is how your your back office looks like. So there are a lot of things that you can do in this place. First, you can change the currency from Naira to whatever you like. So just tap on these 3 vertical dots there, and you can see you can change to AFREP, you can change to USD, you can change to NGN, which is Nigeria Naira. So let me put it as AFREP. So these are the things that you can do. From here, buy data. From here, you buy airtime. Here you pay your bills. That is a DSTV or your any other cable TV that you are using. And here, pay your electric bill, electricity bill, and your flight ticket here, and hotel booking. Let's now go ahead and see how they work. So if you tap on buy data, you can see the set of data that you can buy. I won't go further into anything, just to show you what is working here. And when you want to buy airtime, the same thing happens. You can buy MTN, Glo. Just tap on anyone you want to buy, put the phone number, put the amount you want to buy, and you click purchase. When you click purchase, then you go ahead and you buy your data. So when we come to DSTV to card bill, you tap on it. You see this one say upcoming feature. So you cannot do that one now until when it is being added. Let's look at electricity bill. Okay, you can see the various disco that you can buy from: Eco Electricity, Ikeja Electricity, Kaduna, Kano, Port Harcourt, Jos, Ibadan, and Abuja Electricity. If your own is not here, I'm sure that as they get approval, a lot will be added as we go on. Then let's look at the flight ticket. Oh, it's still upcoming. Your flight ticket is upcoming, and the hotel booking also is still upcoming. So what we can do presently now is to buy data, buy airtime, and to pay for our electricity bills. So now let me switch over to see how we can now fund our account with AFREP from our global market wallet. Come with me and tap with this me here. Tap me. When you tap on me, you will see the deposit assets, you see your setting, and you see logout. So let's look at what is in deposit asset. This is it. When you want to deposit your AFREP, this is your wallet address on this app. So what you need to do is to just tap here and copy the wallet address, then go back to your Trust wallet to transfer whatever amount of AFREP that you want to transfer onto this wallet. So let me tap and copy it and I've copied that. Now the setting, when you go to setting, you can update your profile, you look at it, you see your name and everything here. Then when you have updated it, you click save. The privacy policy of this app, look at it and you read it, you see what is expected of you, what is expected of the company, and you come and read your term of use. Look at the terms of use and you read through it and see what are their terms and policies. Then you can reset your password here at any time. When you put your old password, put the new one and you confirm the new one, and you go ahead and tap on save. Then you have changed your password. Now, as I've said, I have copied my wallet address. So now let me go to show you how to transfer your AFREP from the Trust wallet into the AFREP utility app. So once you log in here, you tap on AFREP. Once you tap on AFREP, then you tap on send. Because you are sending out of here. So tap on send, and you just tap on paste here to paste the wallet address that has been copied earlier. So I tap that, then I will tap inside of here the number of AFREP that I want to transfer. So in this case, I just want to use this as an example. So I'm going to be transferring 30 AFREP, which I have done. So once you have typed the amount you want to transfer, come up here and you tap on continue. Tap on continue. It's going to bring up the asset, and you must have a little quantity of BNB in your that particular wallet, so as to be able to transfer your AFREP. So once you do that, you tap here and now tap on confirm. Tap on confirm to confirm your transfer. Then put your login password. Like my here, I always use my fingerprint, and you can see 30 AFREP has been transferred into my utility app. So let's go back to the utility app to go and confirm if it has come, or we wait for it to come. You can see it's here already. It's here already. Let's go to home. You can see it's here already. AFREP. My 30 AFREP is here already. So you can go ahead and use the AFREP to do whatever you want to do. Buying airtime, buying data, buying electricity bill. So this is how you go about it, and you transfer your AFREP from the global market to your utility bill. And I want to advise us here, if you don't have enough AFREP already, it's better you buy now. This is a case use that is going to make the price of AFREP to begin to go up. So what do you need to do now? As the price is still good, go ahead and buy more. And if you want to buy, you can contact me, and I will sell to you and send it. I can even send it to your wallet directly, instead of sending it to your to your trust wallet. I can send it to your utility address. Your utility wallet straight. As you just get the wallet address here, and you send it to me, and I'll be able to transfer it to your utility wallet directly. Then you start enjoying your AFREP. This is the end of this video, and if there is any other thing that we need to do, I will come to explain to us further. Thank you very much for watching, and as I've said, like this video, share it with your friends, let them know what is going on, because the more people join us, the more it's better for us. Thank you once again, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.